To our school's division superintendent, Mr. J.S. Montealto, to our district supervisor, Mr. Yasher Yususulan, to our West 2 District Surrogate, Mrs. Nuaimi Enriquez, to our very hardworking principal, Mrs. Avalaira L. Atog, esteemed and dedicated teachers of Maligi Elementary School, my co-graduates, visitors, parents, and friends, a pleasant afternoon to all of you. Looking back, our journey has been filled with countless challenges, triumphs, laughter, and tears. Each one of us has a unique story to tell, a story shaped by our individual experiences and the collective strength of our class. Our time in school has not only been about academics, but also about learning life's essential lesson. We've learned about friendship, resilience, compassion, and the power of hard work. We've experienced the joy of success and the sting of failure. But most importantly, we've learned that each failure is not a setback, but a setup for a greater comeback. No man is an island. Life's journey is one that nobody goes through all of them, and so with our achievement. It will never be achieved without the combination of our own personal drives and support from the people around us. So let me start this by saying thank you to all of you. You are all the reason why I'm standing here in front of you today. First, let us give thanks to the Lord God, who is the source of our courage, abilities, and knowledge, who always hears our prayers, helps us, and always at our back. To my parents, thank you for your unconditional love and support. You have been my pillars of strength, encouraging me to chase my dreams and standing by us on every step of the way. To Papang Nonoy, thank you so much sa paghahanap buhay para matustusan lang ang aming pangangailangan. Lahat ng klaseng trabaho ay ginagawa mo. Maibigay lang ang buhay na ninanais mo para sa amin. Trabahong malinis at tapat sa lahat ng pagkakataon. To Mamang Bing, thank you also sa pagising ng maaga para ma-prepare ang foods namin everyday. At pinsan, tumutulong ka rin kay Papang in order to earn money para may maibigay sa amin. I appreciate all you have done for me. You have been my #1 supporter, not only in ACADS but also in life. I am truly blessed to have a mother like you. Pang, Mang, at kahit hindi ko man madalas sabihin sa inyo to, I love you from the bottom of my heart. To my only love ate, Andrea Kate, thank you for being my #1 fan and supporters. Especially those times that my confidence is nowhere to be found. To Mamang Rosing, who is now in heaven, thank you for all of your advices, especially those times that I feel discouraged. Sayang, Mamang Rosing, hindi mo naabutan ang graduation ko. Ito na, Mamang Rosing, nakamit ko na. To all our teachers who taught us new things and skills, who showed never-ending dedication in teaching, guiding, and bringing the best to us. On behalf of your students, thank you very much. To my cute and energetic advisor, Miss Jocelyn R. Concepcion, who first believed in me, that surely built the confidence I have now. Thank you for being supportive, kind, and molding me in different ways. I am very thankful for your patience, guidance, and support, despite the huge barriers between the teachers and the students. And to my fellow graduates, as we stand on the brink of a new chapter in our lives, I want to remind you that this is not an end, but a beginning. As we step into the world, let's carry with us the lesson we've learned, the friendship we've made, and the memories we've created. As we part our ways, let's not say goodbye, but rather, until we meet again. Let's continue to dream big, work hard, and make a difference in the world. Remember, we are not just the leaders of tomorrow, but the movers and shakers of today. Let me quote this: everything we do today is the preparation for our success in the future. This is Kianjo Nempio Quinto saying thank you and once again congratulations to the class of 2023 and 2024.